What you're looking at is a little key lime tree. Well, it's not little. This one's about almost 7 feet tall already. You can see the top of my hand. So it's a pretty large key lime tree. And we come up to it and we find these little, like burn marks. The leaves are crinkled. And you ask yourself, what is it? Well, you look at the leaf on this side. Let me see if I can get out of the... See that little line, that squiggly line right there? Skeletonizer. It's an insect that doesn't eat the plant. It just sucks along the top of the leaf and breaking the cuticle of the leaf and then sucking into the plant, and it causes this damage. Now there might also be a little bit of mite damage. We didn't see any spider mites. We did see webbing from spiders. So, but it's skeletonizers. So the only thing we can really spray this with is our natural blend of products that we use, because it is a fruit-bearing tree. You can't use most of the chemicals for lawn care on fruit-bearing trees. They're not labeled for it. It's illegal. So you got to be very careful if you have fruit trees or vegetables or herbs in the garden and you're spraying around them and you're hiring a lawn care company to spray, that they don't get the pesticide on the plant. And most pesticide labels are going to have this restriction on it. You need to be able to know that, and most technicians do not know how to identify fruit trees, and that is a huge problem.